Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get a remote job or a full-time job on Freebyz. Freebyz is a platform where you'll be able to do a little task to earn money just by liking, subscribing or sign up on the website, and also you can have access to a remote job or a full-time job on days on this app, because Freebiz has a app and also it has a website. You can make use of any one of it. You can download the app or you can make use of that website. So right now I'm going to tap on Freebiz. I'm going to show you different full-time job or remote job you can get access to. So this is Freebiz, and then I'm going to sign in with my account. Please make sure you verify your account. Make sure you verify your account. It's very important. So this is my account right now. So then I'm going to tap on these three lines at my left hand side, and then I'm going to come to the remote job for you to see. There's a lot of job. We have full-time. This one is full-time and remote data marketer, and this is full-time and remote, full-time and remote, full-time and remote. So there's a lot of job you can get access, both remote or full-time. So if you are looking for a job, you can come to Freebiz. You can sign up on Freebiz and guess. Okay, primary jobs require purchase a point to view full details and apply. Free jobs are fully accessible. You can see. So there's a lot of job you can get access to. You can just through call center agent, manager energy law. You can see there's a lot of job opportunity you can see on Freebiz. There's a lot. Sales manager in Lagos. So although most of the job that is here is Lagos, Abuja and other states in Nigeria, but Lagos is many here, Abuja is many here. There's a lot. So you can get access to remote or part-time. Okay, there's part-time job too. Tech tutor. So if you are into tech, if you are into tech, if you are a tech tutor, you can get access to the job, and then boom. So I'm going to tap on this. Okay, this person is looking for a content creator, social media, full-time remote, full-time and remote. So I'm going to tap on it right now. So to get the details, you can see remote, full-time. You can see. Then you get the details of everything. Some will write their email, or some will even just okay apply. Okay, these people write and get started. Okay, so you just read it. Okay, send your CV. You can see that email. You send everything, and then boom, if you are selected, you get the job. So you can see there's a lot of job you can get on Freebiz. And also, if you are looking for a worker, or maybe you are looking for a PA, you can set it up here. So whenever someone comes to this place, and maybe someone is looking for a PA job, you can have access. Or you are looking for a social media marketer, or you are looking for a video editor, you can set up your own. You can set it up, and whenever someone comes to this place and see your advertisement, is going to apply. So just navigate it, go through it, and you are going to see a lot. I think I saw video editor, I saw graphic design, I saw social media manager, I saw manage. There's a lot. Sales manager in Lagos. See, there's a lot of job you can apply for here. So you can see is a lot. WhatsApp customer service officer, full time. So and the salary is equal first bank. So first bank need a worker, you can get access. Remote story writer, if you are good in story writing, you can. Igbo customer service. If you are Igbo guy, you are good in Igbo, you can come to this place to apply. Let me just see the details. Full time and remote. I don't know my network. So you can see. So You can come to this page, you can write your skills, maybe you're a graphic design, you can just set up your own account. So whenever someone comes to this place, the person is going to see, okay, this person is into graphic design, this person is into video editing, and the person will send a message to you and give you a deal. And also you can set up a campaign, you can set up a tax. Maybe okay, you want someone to subscribe to your account, you can just okay, I'll be giving each person 15 naira or 20 naira per subscribe. Or you want someone to like your video, or you want someone to comment, or you just want them to subscribe, or you want them to follow you on your YouTube, you can set up a tax. And whenever people that sign up on here, they will help you to do the tax, and then you pay them. So let me show you what I'm talking about. You can see dashboard. You can see this person say subscribe, and then you are going to get you can see use my sound, you are going to get 15, and download 150, download 150, like the video and subscribe 15 naira, Facebook like. And so you too, you can set, or maybe okay, you just create a TikTok account for your business and you want people to share. You can set up as okay, if you share, you can just put like 2,000 on your account. You can fund the account, put out, you can say okay, I'll be paying 15 naira per each follow, or per each like, or per share. So there's thousands of people using this platform, and they come here to do online. So that is what we call online survey. Online survey. So if you are not working, or you are a 95 worker, or you're a full household, you can use your free time to to do online survey. Just like normally, even though you stay on social media, you watch so many people video, you like, you comment, you share, you follow, you subscribe without even earning a penny. But you can do it on this Freebiz and get paid. So there's a lot of things you can get on this platform. So if you are looking for a remote job, just come to this page. Or you are looking for a online survey, something you can do just like and earn money, come to this page, and then boom, you are going to earn money. So let me show you something. Get on third, fourth, on top I just do like, I think 10 or 15 tags. And this was my, well, let me see my transaction. I did like 10 or 15 tags, and I was able to do like 300 and something. You can see 15 naira paid, 20, 30, 45, 12, 12 naira, 15, 15, 15. I withdraw this, and I've received every Friday is payout, but I mistakenly withdraw on Wednesday, so I've received my payment today. So you can see 15, 15, 15. So you can see, so I've even used out of the, I've used to, because I placed a advertisement, so I've used out of it, I've minus it, I've used out of it, place an advertisement for, because I'm a marketer, so I even place an advertisement. So there's a lot of things you can do here and earn a lot of money. So if this video is helpful, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. Most especially, please help me to share and help me to subscribe to my account. And this, my platform is basic, is for those that are using smartphone. I post video on how you can make use of a smartphone to earn money, because some people complain, I don't have laptop, I don't have ipad, that's why I can't earn. But no, you can make use of a smartphone to earn a lot of money. And also you can check my other videos on how you can earn money from different ways, and the videos are all free. So make sure you like me, subscribe, and my name remains Thank you for watching, and God bless you.